Chris Brown, set it up.
Oh, feeling crazy
And fun.
Hi guys, I'm Blake. Today you're going to learn the helicopter. Step 1. You're going to squat down, leaving one leg besides you. You're going to swing this leg in a circular motion. Step 2. Once your leg meets the other one, you're going to swap sides, putting all pressure on that other arm. Step 3. From here, you're going to lift that back foot up and swing the other one through, continuing that circular motion. Step 4. You're going to continue repeating this motion, and once you are able to do this comfortably, you will have completed the helicopter.